Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change icons shape on this device. So did you actually know that you can change these icons you have here? All you need to do is to just download this app X Icon Changer from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, watch some ads of course. Then you have to pick an app to which you want to change an icon, for example Chrome. Then here you can pick an icon. You have different proposed themes like this. You can also add your own photo from the gallery or from camera, but I'll just pick one of these ones. Well, I like this one. Then tap OK. Then you will have to watch an ad.
Man. Let's go. Watch this. Come on.
What? How can I and this icon is added, and as you can see now I have my new icon for the Google Chrome here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.